Are you ready to master Excel and boost your productivity? In this video, we will reveal some top tips and tricks to help you make the most out of this powerful software. So let's dive right in. First tip, use keyboard shortcuts to save time. Instead of reaching for the mouse, press Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Ctrl+Z to undo. It's that simple. Next, let's talk about conditional formatting. This feature allows you to automatically format cells based on certain criteria. Say goodbye to manually formatting every cell, let Excel do the work for you. Moving on to data validation. This handy feature helps prevent errors by restricting the type of data that can be entered into a cell. You can set specific criteria like numbers, dates, or even create custom validation rules. Now let's explore Excel's powerful functions. The sum function is a game changer. It allows you to quickly add up a range of cells, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching videos. For more videos, subscribe now.